To start off, you should probably know that this is not a sponsored video. Actually, it might be kind of the opposite. SOG had sent me some sample product to shoot a couple months ago, and they just recently messaged me again about an exciting new release. So I was pumped when this came in the mail, until I opened it and realized it didn't exist. Turns out, I was mistakenly shipped a pre-release knife, and I figured it was a great opportunity to be the first person to shoot it. But I was gonna need some help, so I called in the big guns.
Oh, this is the office.
This is the office now.
Sick. You look at your computer sitting back there.
Yeah, it looks pretty back there, right? Do I need to tell you that the camera's already rolling?
No, I almost came in with the GoPro on.
Okay, first off,
Let me see this thing. Dude, this weighs nothing. Have you looked at their website? See if it's up there yet?
it's not there.
Exclusive, baby.
And it just came in the mail today. Does it make sense how small this is? It's so
The weight is
thin.
what really blows my mind.
I bet if you drop it, you can kind of tell. It's wild. I like these. These are the other two. Been having a good time. These guys. Yeah. Also safety.
Left and right-handed, I understand.
You close it up and stuff with either hand.
They do such a nice job.
But like the shape of it too. It's pretty. I used to like get their knives and my mom would like take them when they came in the mail. Like, what are you doing? Alright, well anyway. So we're at the library. This is actually some of the first filming I've done at the library. It's a, bit of a venue, recording space, everything like that. Yeah, it's getting there. So we're gonna shoot some blades. Yeah, we got a yoga mat, a table,
What else do you need?
some lights,
Alright.
and a camera.
Yeah.
See if I can get some cool shots. Alright. So we have a bunch of stuff. How much stuff, Bob?
A bunch.
My original idea was to like try to use this double wide yoga mat. Ugh. Wow, that looks way better than it should. Shout out Broken On. So yeah, I was gonna use this texture. The first SMG knives they sent me matched it really well. The second leg of this is I wanna hang them right there.
Ow!
Sorry. We can get some cool shots of them kinda floating down like this. I don't know if this is how people usually do it.
We're gonna find out.
What we got here?
We're setting up a little hanging apparatus.
What knot is that?
I think it's a blood knot.
Blood knot.
Yeah.
Like how we tied our bond?
Yes, precisely that way. Bang.
My camera's working. Let's see about the macro lens. Switch the flash trigger. Oops. I kind of like that for detail shots. I haven't talked about this actually. I wanted to try this with a macro lens. I don't have any, so I had Bob bring his macro. It's for the 80D, and that's a crop sensor camera. It's coming out cool for detail shots. I don't even know what focal length this is. Oh, it's at 300. We like that. This is what a lot of coffee and a lot of knives makes.
We still got all our digits though.
For now.
For now.
Check in later. So that's not a bad first image. We're getting there.
Hang on. Let me just make my life easier.
I'm trying to think how we can like bring them like next level. Just a little. Bear with me.
Talk to me.
It's hanging off the ground.
Yep.
Like a millimeter.
Okay.
We spin it up and then we hold it and then blow the smoke in there. And then have it. Alright? Okay. Okay. We're going tornado mode.
Yeah, I can do it now. I got it. Wait, hang on. That's what we want. Wow. Okay. Damn, dog.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
Feeling good, dude.
Yeah?
I think we crushed it.
Look at this. Look at the vital setup here. Oh my god. It looks like a crime scene on camera. So we're sitting in what looks like Pinocchio's house. We have a whole bunch of knives rigged up Puppet Master style. And I think we did alright. This is definitely a hazard. We're sitting on knives. It might not look very finely done, but trust me, this is a very exact science. It takes an engineer. This man is a wizard. That was really fun though. We've been tag teaming a bunch of sick projects, so this is just another one in the books. I'm hyped, dude. I would say that's a wrap.
I think so.
Good shit, man. Appreciate you, man.
Oh yeah, dude. Let me try to not get my butt.
Let's try not to die. You should have signed a waiver.
Yep. That's just my carotid. I'm out.